In this video, I want to provide you with some tips and tricks for running your campaign more efficiently. Firstly, let's talk about recipient bulk import. While filling out recipient information for individuals may be manageable for a small number of recipients, it can quickly become cumbersome when dealing with larger quantities, such as 10, 50, or even 1,000 recipients. To simplify this process, we offer a bulk import option in the Recipients tab, allowing you to conveniently add multiple recipients at once. We will provide you with an Excel spreadsheet template that will look like this. Here, you'll plug in the recipient info such as first and last name, email address, and gift budget. After you've filled it out, you can proceed to upload it to our platform, and your recipient profiles will be created automatically. You can review and edit them here in the Recipients tab as well. Secondly, let's discuss creating groups. Sometimes you would want to run your gift campaign based on one feature all of your recipients have in common. For example, they might have birthdays or anniversary celebrations in the same month, or they live in the same country or region. In this case, adding each individual recipient from the list might be time-consuming. So it is better to create a group of recipients beforehand. To do that, click Add in the Groups tab. Proceed to add a group name, category, and description. Scroll down to add all recipients you want to see in this group from the list. Finally, press Add Group button below. Now, when you create an order, you have the option to add this group to your order in just one click. Thanks for watching. You can find more useful videos below.